Hi coffee beans and welcome back to another Hallokween tutorial. So for today's look, I'm doing my own version but glam of Pennywise from the 2017-2019 remake of It. If you want to learn how to get this creepy, cute, but also glam look, then keep on watching. Like always, putting in the contacts before the makeup because my eyes get teary-eyed. And I'm actually going to do my eyes first before the base because we are doing a very smoky eye. So I'm just applying some of my beloved P. Louise base with my favorite makeup sponge all over the lid so we have a nice even base for our eyeshadows to stick to. And then I'm going to take some translucent powder and set the crease just a little bit because my eyelids do get a little oily. I'm then taking a packing brush and some black eyeshadow, and I'm packing black eyeshadow all over the lid and blending it slightly into the crease. If you want this to be even more dark, you can take a black eyeshadow base or eyeliner to help make it look more black. And then I'm going to blend out the edges with a small blending brush and burgundy eyeshadow till it's nice and smoky. And I go back and forth between the two colors and the brushes so that way it's nice and pigmented but still nice and blended. And then I repeat the same on the other eye before cleaning up my face and shaping the eye look with a makeup wipe. I'm then priming my face with my beloved Fenty face primer so that way we have a nice smooth base. And same with the skull look, I'm going to be taking a little bit of foundation and white concealer, mixing them together and applying them to my face. And I'm just going to be blending that all in with, again, my beloved Ride or Die $1.55 sponge from Shop Miss A. And in a second you'll see my reaction to how pale my face is compared to my body. It's so crazy. And it's all because I added a little bit of white concealer to my normal foundation. I'm then going to conceal my under eyes with a concealer that matches me, but right now it looks so dark. And then I add in a little bit more of that white concealer so that way it matches the rest of the face, but I still have the coverage that I want underneath the eyes. I'm then going to take some translucent powder to set the face. I'm using a big fluffy brush for my face and a sponge for my under eyes. To add a little bit more life to the face, I'm going to contour, add blush, and for the contour, I'm mainly focusing it on the back of the cheeks with my Chemical and Sculpting powder, but I do add a little bit to my temples, my nose, and my lips. For blush, I just mix a little bit of a pink eyeshadow with the burgundy shadow that we used on our eyes just to give that effect of clown makeup, but nothing too crazy. And if you get heavy-handed like I did, just take your sponge and blend it out and it will look perfect. And then of course I have to highlight it. I can't not highlight, you guys. Again, it's a necessity. So I'm just taking a mixture of these highlighters from Believe Beauty and I'm applying it all over the face to give us that nice, beautiful shine and sparkle. For the eyeshadow on the lower lash line, I'm just repeating the same thing that we did on the top to the bottom. And then we're going to move on to Pennywise's iconic face paint. I'm taking a flat definer brush and the contour powder, same with the glam skull look that I did in yesterday's video, just sketching it out where I want it to go before going in with face paint and eyeshadow. Mine does end up looking a little crooked, but that's okay. I was so happy with the final result that I didn't even care. I'm then taking a little bit of that burgundy shadow on a big fluffy blending brush, and this is going to help give our face paint more dimension and look like it's a shadow. So I'm just taking some water activated paint by Mavron on a tiny pencil brush, and I'm just going over that line with the red activated paint. I'm then going to line my lips with a red lip liner, and at first I wanted my lips to be bright red, but I then add a super dark burgundy liquid lipstick on top and mix it in with a lip liner so it matches the eye look and the face paint a little bit better, and it gives it a more seductive, scary, but kind of sexy vibe. As you can see, the dark lips look a lot better than the bright red lips. And once that is done, I then apply some false eyelashes, which I thought the lower lashes were cute, and then I set my face and I forgot that I had water activated paint, so I was scared it was gonna drip, but it was okay. I hope you guys love this look that I did and you love my version of Pennywise and you're loving my Hallokween series so far. If you are, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the rest of the videos in this series. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.